As the World Cup heats up across Canada, the US, and Mexico, Sam, a Canadian soccer journalist, has decided to take his YouTube channel to the next level. He and his team already have tickets to several major matches in all three countries, and they plan to live stream from outside the stadium before kickoff, within the crowd during the match, and with fans after the final whistle. Sam and his team are ready to hit the road, but there is one challenge, which is maintaining a reliable internet connection across the whole North America, despite differences in network coverage and service providers. What they need is something compact, mobile, and reliable. That's why they chose the MikroTik LtAP mini-LTE kit. With dual SIM slots, along with LTE band support, including band 28 for North America, the device helps keep the team connected in more places without the need to constantly swap SIM cards. Because it runs on 5-volt MicroUSB power, the team can power it with a simple phone power bank. It also has built-in 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing streaming equipment to stay on the same local network while connected to the internet on the move. The device also includes an Ethernet port for wired internet uplink. Let's see this setup. A camera switcher can connect to the MikroTik LtAP mini-LTE kit through the physical Ethernet port for internet access and live streaming on platforms such as YouTube. While wireless camera receivers connect to the switcher, receiving video signals from the cameras through the video transmitters. At the same time, the switcher can be controlled from a phone through the LtAP's Wi-Fi network, which creates a local connection between the switcher with the videos feed and any wireless connected device to the LtAP mini-LTE kit. For the sake of zero latency, a single HDMI cable can run to a monitor, allowing the crew to view live camera feeds and switch between them by the phone. The camera switcher and LtAP mini-LTE can be powered by a mid-level mobile battery pack and easily run for 8 to 10 hours. They also can be carried in one bag. And the person wearing it only needs to hold a phone monitor setup connected by HDMI cable to the camera switch. That means Sam and his crew can move through parking lots, fan zones, and stadium entrances while keeping the live stream running. Regarding other features, the rugged IP54 enclosure also helps protect the device from real-world stadium conditions, including rain, dust, crowds, and outdoor fan events. And with integrated GPS support, the home production team and other crew members can track the field crew across large events area, helping avoid delays, improve coordinations, and add extra layers of safety and security for the crew. With upload speeds of up to 50 MB per second, the device provides more than enough bandwidth for a reliable Full HD live stream and may also support 4K streaming. Sam's crew used the LtAP mini-LTE kit to stay live through a rough journey across Canada, the US, and Mexico. Sam had the World Cup. What is your rough journey?